Welcome everyone to the Traders Market Intelligence Report brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. My name is Robert Roy and this update is for Monday, January 23rd, 2023. All right, let's go ahead and dive right in. I want to start off with the VIX. We had a nice pullback on the VIX today. I am loving the move that it's made. It failed up at those moving averages, came back down nicely. We're at the lower quadrant of our mid section, our green section, our medium section. We're at the lower quadrant of that. You know, if you broke it up into 3 or 4 pieces, we're at that lower edge of it. Very close to that yellow, which takes us just down about below 18. We're right about 19 and jingle today, 1975 or so that we finished up, 1978. This horizontal blue line is our closing price today, right? And then we go over to the S&P 500. Let's see what they have for us. Oh, look at that move. Man, closed right on the highs of the day today at 39.72.35. For the closing price. So we've got to look at what's happened here, folks. This is a very critical position for the S&P to be in right now. So if we go back and look at the big picture, right, we see that long-term downtrend that was taking place in there. And now what's happened? What's taken place from that? We've gotten this nice bounce up. So last week we talked and I said, listen, we've got to get above the fib line here, this 40.25 level. We got to get above the 40.72 level. We've got to get above the 41.01 level just to get back into a bullish territory. And what happened? We failed coming off early this week. We're pushing up right now. So what we're looking for right now is how will we work out above with this recent swing high we've had here? How will we handle it right there? That 40.15 level rather, right about there, we need to close above that. If we can get a close above that, that higher low negates that lower high, right? We had a higher low in here. This higher low, if it does get above, is okay. This was a hiccup. We pulled back for a couple of days, bounced right back, no big deal. But if we fail, right, look where we are, guys. We got above this downtrend line again today on the close. If we fail at that downtrend line yet again, woo! Not looking good, baby. You cannot keep pressing into that and keep failing. Especially now if you put in, if today, as an example, was the high and we failed again next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and we break down below that downtrend line, below the moving averages, below the fib line, it ain't looking good, honey. It ain't looking good. Now, I get it. You know, overall, you look at futures today, we're doing well, right? The ES is up. The Dow is up, the NASDAQ is up, the RUT's up, everything is up. The oil's up too, but everything is up today. Everything. All of the financials are good, strong, bullish day on the market. We're up 70 points-ish. 70 points on the S&P 500. What an amazing move. We've got to look at the weekly and the monthly. So we get the weekly and what's happened? A little bit of weakness on the weekly. Weekly. Yeah, there you go. It's a weekly. We're still above the downtrend line, which is good. 2 weeks in a row. It's the first time it's happened now since this downtrend started on our weeklies. And we look at the monthly. We closed above the best close. And again, we're not done with the month, but it's the best looking close so far that we've had above. We opened up above here and failed miserably last month in December, right? So we jump back into that daily chart just one more time, right? So what do we want to see? I need to see a move above that 40.15 level on a closing basis. That's the first place for us to get to. Where's my fear? If we fall down below the downtrend line, that's when I get nervous, okay? That's when I start to worry is if we break that downtrend line. If we break through all of our moving averages and that 39.11 level, then I'm looking for the bear to come back, right? And where's the next target then? We've got to get down below the recent lows. So you've got your swing low right here, but we do have a congestion point right inside of here as well. Right, I'm just going to change that color over a little bit to just this much lighter color for us, right? So we do have that downtrend, that those lows bouncing off of there, but that weakness of 37.64.49, that's the bottom line of what we're looking for. Are we going to violate, break, and continue to push to the downside? So the triggers, the targets for us to be concerned about this upcoming week is, can we get above this level here? If it does, we're looking for the bullish move. If we break down here below all of the downtrend line, the moving averages, the fib line, then we're looking for the move to the downside. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great rest of your day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it, and remember, you're just one trade away. Take care, and I'll see you at our next update. Bye for now.